welcome back to Tech Blockchain. This is my friend Arjun Bogotier. In this today video, I'm going to show you how to change the color for scene into black and white. So guys, let's get started. First, go to your project panel and double click on the project panel to import the footage you want to change the color. And I'm going to choose one clip. I think it fits. Okay, I'm going to just import this clip and drag it to your timeline and see the overall footage. Okay, I will start from this. I have to cut this unnecessary clip. And then go to effects and search effects name BLACK black and white and drag it to the footage. And then you can see the color for clip has been changed into black and white. In this way, you can change any color for footage into black and white by just dragging the effects color black and white into your clip. And thanks for watching this awesome tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have got something new from this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos on animation, technology tricks, programming languages and many more. Till then, keep on watching Tech Blockchain, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.